Alicia Lawyers, Robert Schalk, Trinity Hundredmark. Robert Schalk, do you have a problem with him getting a court-ordered vasectomy?
Yes, yeah, Nancy, I do.
Starting with you as opposed to Trinity.
I do, because sentencing conditions in every state are meant to prevent future criminal behavior. Being a bad father is not a crime. So use the resources you have. No, it's not.
Being a bad father, as in not paying child support or abusing or neglecting your children?
We don't have any evidence or any information being released in this case that he hasn't paid the support. If the wife doesn't want it.
I'm not arguing about this case. You just said being a bad father is not a crime. Well, actually, it is a crime. It's called child neglect. It's called child abuse.
There's no allegations
failure
of that.
to thrive.
But there's no allegations of that in this case.
You can't make the statement that being a bad father is not a crime, because oftentimes it is a crime. Can we get back to the snippy? The vasectomy?
Correct. My issue, when did we go back to 1940s Germany and start social engineering, deciding who and who cannot have kids? This is not the purpose of the court. Use the resources you have in the courts. Use classes. Take away his child visitation. You can use the courts to rehabilitate.
Take away his child visitation. I guarantee you those moms, all 6 of them, would probably love him to spend more time with the children. I don't think that's the issue.
Why would the mothers, if this guy is such a threat, why do mothers want them to be with their father? That's my question to you.
You're so out in the weeds. Let's get it back on the ball field. Okay, Trinity, I'm going to try with you. The guy already has 7 children by 6 different mothers.
Sure, Nancy. And while that conduct of it itself is not necessarily ideal, I would agree that punishment is supposed to deter criminal behavior. And the criminal behavior in this case is DWI, hit and run, child endangerment. I'm not sure how having a vasectomy affects any of that criminal behavior. Just because he has a vasectomy doesn't mean he's not going to go drink and drive a car tomorrow. He's still got those capabilities. It seems to me that some other punishment would fit the crime more.